Ever wonder why people think, feel, and act so differently, even in the same situations? That's where the Enneagram comes in. It's not just another personality test. It's a powerful tool to understand your core motivations, fears, and how you relate to others. Let's explore the 9 Enneagram types and see which one feels like you. Type 1. The Reformer. You know that one friend who always wants to do things the right way? That's a Type 1. They're principled, idealistic, and constantly trying to improve themselves and the world. Deep down, they just want to be good and do good, but the pressure to be perfect can sometimes make them overly critical, especially of themselves. Type 2. The Helper. 2s are the ones who remember your birthday, show up when you're sick, and somehow make you feel like the most important person in the room. They thrive on being needed and loved, but sometimes they give so much to others that they forget to take care of themselves. Type 3. The Achiever. 3s are go-getters. They're polished, efficient, and always chasing the next big win. On the surface, they radiate confidence, but deep down, they worry they're only as valuable as their latest success. They shine in the spotlight. Just don't ask them to slow down. Type 4. The Individualist. 4s feel deeply and dream big. They see beauty in everything, especially in emotions. They crave authenticity and want to be seen for who they truly are. But with that comes a fear of not being enough or being misunderstood. Still, their creativity and depth are a gift to the world. Type 5. The Investigator. Private, thoughtful, and endlessly curious. 5s are the ones asking the big questions and diving deep into their own worlds. They love learning and observing from a distance, but too much time in their heads can sometimes make them feel disconnected or emotionally guarded. Type 6. The Loyalist. The rock-solid ride-or-die friend. That's a 6. They're loyal to the core and always thinking ahead. Safety and trust mean everything to them, but their overthinking can lead to anxiety and second-guessing. Even so, you always know they've got your back. Type 7. The Enthusiast. 7s are the life of the party, adventurous, spontaneous, and always planning the next big thing. They want to experience everything life has to offer, but underneath that excitement, there's often a fear of pain or missing out. Still, their energy is contagious and uplifting. Type 8. The Challenger. 8s are bold, strong-willed, and unafraid to speak their mind. They value control, independence, and protecting the people they care about. Their tough exterior hides a big heart, but vulnerability, that's not always easy for them. Type 9. The Peacemaker. Laid back and comforting, 9s just want everyone to get along, including their own thoughts and feelings. They avoid conflict like the plague and often go with the flow to keep peace. But sometimes they forget their own voice in the process. Still, they're some of the most grounded and calming people you'll meet. So, did you see yourself in one of these types? Or maybe someone close to you? The Enneagram isn't about putting you in a box. It's about showing you the box you're already in so you can grow beyond it. If this helped you understand yourself or others better, hit like, share it with a friend, and let me know your type in the comments. See you next time.